Tell you very frankly, he is an iconic boy of Howrah. He has contributed not only for Howrah, but he has contributed for our country a lot. And his resignation from the Council of Ministers, his resignation from the party president is really a very bad indication for all of us, especially for the youngsters who was motivated seeing Lakshmiratan Shukla over there, and that will be a very bad and shocking message for youths and for the people of Howrah. This should not be looked down or should not be looked as a sporadic incidents. Must be considered comprehensively why the youngsters are gradually showing their backs to the party. This is a very important message to the party, and this is an important message from the common people too. I do believe that basically this may cause a great harm to the party if not properly taken care of. If you are not comfortable, if you are not really getting a comfort zone in the party, if you are not properly, if you cannot accommodate yourself in the party, then you are bound to do so. And here the problem lies over there in the same fashion. Basically, the people, they are not, cannot adjust with the leaderships and what they about their want and all these things. That is the main reason why they are shedding off from these connections with the party. I would like to point out, look, the constitution makers of our country, they were erudite persons like Baba Saheb Ambedkar and Chakraborty Raja Gopalachari, and then all the great leaders, freedom fighters, including Maulana Azad, and who contributed and framed the constitution of our country. They were erudite persons, and they have tested the democracy from the different corners of the life. And that is why we should not deviate from the democratic setup, from the constitutional dictums of our country. Here, the deviation from the constitutional direction is definitely inviting lot of problems. And you can definitely, as an example, you can see how the development of our small districts, which started taking place during our elected body, suddenly ceased when the election process was not taken correctly in right time. That is a matter of the TMC party, of the different levels of the party. But this much I can tell you very frankly, that from the Howrah Municipal Corporation, from OG meeting, we requested to conduct the election on time, and it was a consensus decision, and we forwarded this decision to the government. And what rest happened, that I cannot say you at this moment. 100%, I have mentioned you earlier, the deviation from the constitutional activity will cease and it will harm our country's activity. This has happened. Look, basically, to tell you, the word grudge is not the proper thing. I am always in favor of the development of the district and of our state. And basically what I do personally feel, if anybody doesn't take a participation in the process of the development, we are bound to shed out from him. This is so obvious, just like bright sunlight. I will not have to tell you over here. It is known to everybody.
Do you want to join BJP in future?
Let me see. Time will say
Do
where the wind blows.
do you have any plan to fight against Arup Roy in the central Howrah
I'm telling you, let me see where the wind blows. I don't have any political relationship with my most respected His Excellency. To tell you very frankly, I was appointed as physician to the governor of West Bengal when Mr. Viren Shah, he was the then governor. Then fortunately, I have got the opportunity to serve as the physician to the governor of West Bengal, to Sri Gopal Krishna Gandhi ji, K.R. Narayanan Shah, and then K. Srinath ji. And I'm really fortunate to have an interaction with Sri Jagdeep Dhankar ji, His Excellency, who has given me a chance to serve him as a medical consultant to the governor. I've got a very lovely, fondly relationship, pleasant relationship with, not a political relation. If the cohesion of the party get lost, if the cracks and the rips appears, it is bound to create a lot of problems in the ensuing election.
In that case, TMC will lose.
That the future, I cannot predict you, I am not an astrologer, but what the omen, bad omen I have observed, this much I can tell you very frankly.